Hello guys, I am going to show you how you can build a voice AI agent on SigmaMind AI. So first let's click on this create AI agent. So from here you can use any template. I'm going to build from a scratch. So let's click on this new conversational flow AI agent. So on your agent builder you can see the start trigger is by default appear on our screen. So from here actually the AI agent will be initiated. In trigger event I have selected this conversation started. So let's say we are building a debt collection agent here. So we just need three node here. So first let's change the name of this AI agent. Done. So next one we need is response node. Click on this send response. Here you can see we have two options, the static and prompt. So in static, if you want to send some specific type of message and you don't want to change anything from that message, then you can keep it as static and define your message here. Let's say I want AI to deliver this message when the call started. Hey, I am Neha calling from ABC company and I don't want AI to change anything from this message, then you can keep it as a static. But here I am making a div connection agent. Let's keep it as a prompt. So in prompt, actually you can give the instructions to AI and AI will follow those instructions and deliver the message to your customer as per your instructions. So I have written this prompt for debt collection agent. You can see I have defined the role here. You are a AVA, friendly and professional debt collection agent. I have set the some opening rule here. I have defined the tone and delivery of the AI. I have defined the goal. In this way, you can also write your prompt. Here you can see in add function, we have three options here, tool action, voice actions, and extract variables. You can use them in your AI agent. Last one we need here is wait mode. So click on this wait. The purpose of this wait note is to pause the AI before continuing the flow. So here you can set the delay as well. If you want AI to deliver your message after 30 minutes, that also you can do. So in event, make sure you have selected this customer message received. So once the customer respond to the message, then AI will continue the flow and respond to customer message. So let's connect the node here and loop it back to response node. Now you can see our agent is ready with the help of just three node. Now let's say I want to configure a voice for this AI agent, that you can also do. Here just need to click on this agent settings. So from here you can select voice, TTS model, LLM model, language. From here you can actually set who speak first in the call, whether AI start the conversation or customer start the conversation. And before making it live, if we want to test this AI agent, so here you can see, you can, if you want to make it live, just click on this live button and your agent will be live. But before making it live, let's test the agent. So make sure you have set the status of your agent as a testing mode. On your home dashboard you can see this playground, click on this. So from here you just need to select the agent that you want to test and click on this start the call button, and now you can test your agent. If you click on this test history, you can see we have all the test history here. If you want to check this one, then click on this restore. Here you can see all the node level logs. If you want to see the system logs, that you can also check here. If you click on this clear message, your message will be cleared from here. If you click on this refresh, this page will be refreshed. This is how you can build a voice AI agent on SigmaMind AI with the help of three node. Thank you.